everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a huge parade balloon. Just like in a real city parade, we will be using the Pixverse app. And don't worry, it's super easy and free to try. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can use it on the web or you can also use the app versions like this. And then once it's open, just log in with your Google account. And the best part, Pixverse will give you free daily credit so you can generate your photo for free every day. And then next, once you open the app, just go to template section, this one. And then after that, just search for or scroll down to find the effect that called balloon parade. This one, just tap on it, and then just tap on use template. This effect is perfect for turning your photo into a giant festival parade balloon floating in the sky. And then next, just upload your photo. Just pick a clear photo to make the best result. For example, I will choose this one, and then after you selected the photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 30 credits. Just tap on it and then go back, and then just go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, in just a few moments, the AI will turn your photo into a big parade balloon like this. And I think the result, it looks so amazing. And okay, that's it. If you like the result, you can just tap on download to save your animations to your device. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.